Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to improve your English. Have you ever tried to learn English but still feel stuck? You study, you watch videos, and you try to speak. But something feels wrong. You forget words and you feel nervous. You think that maybe English is not for you. Let me tell you something very important. That feeling is not failure. It is confusion and self-doubt. Many people feel this. You are not alone. But here is the truth. You can improve your English slowly, calmly, and step by step. Today, I will show you a different way. A way that builds confidence and makes English feel possible. Now let us begin. English is not just a subject or grammar. English is a skill. Like every skill, it grows with the right method. But most learners use the wrong method. They try to be perfect and they wait too long to speak. Slowly, they lose confidence. They feel frustrated and overwhelmed. Maybe this is you. You understand a little, but you cannot speak easily. You know some words, but you cannot use them in real life. This creates pressure, and pressure creates fear. Learning English does not need to feel like this. There is a calmer, more human way. In this video, you will learn real rules that work in real life. You will learn how to practice without stress and stop feeling stuck. Once you understand this, everything starts to change. Your mind becomes clearer and your English becomes stronger. So take a deep breath. Let us start this journey together. Rule 1: stop trying to be perfect. This may feel surprising to you. Many learners believe they must speak perfect English to improve, but this idea is not true. In fact, it is the biggest problem. When you try to be perfect, you become slow. You stop speaking and you start thinking too much. In that moment, you freeze. This is called overthinking. Overthinking kills your progress. Imagine a child learning to speak. The child makes many mistakes but keeps speaking. There is no fear and no pressure. Slowly, the child improves. This is the natural way of learning. Here is your new key phrase. Progress is more important than perfection. Let it stay in your mind. Every mistake you make is not a failure. It is a step forward. Now look at a real example. You want to say something simple. Instead of thinking for a long time, you just speak. Maybe your sentence is not perfect, but you communicated. That is success. That is real learning. People do not expect perfect English. They only want to understand you. So stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be clear. When you accept mistakes, you feel free. When you feel free, you speak more. And when you speak more, you improve faster. Less perfection means more progress. Less fear means more confidence. Ask yourself, am I waiting to be perfect? If the answer is yes, it is time to change. Your mindset is stuck, not your English. Once your mindset changes, everything changes. Now let us move to the next rule. Rule 2: make English part of your daily life. This rule is simple but very powerful. Many learners treat English like homework. They study for 1 hour and then they stop. They close the book and forget English. The next day, they start again from zero. This is slow learning. The brain needs repetition every day. The brain learns through daily contact. Here is your second key phrase. Small daily practice creates big results. Say it slowly to yourself. Now let us make this real. You check your phone every morning. Change your phone language to English. Suddenly, you are learning without effort. You see useful words every day. This is how learning becomes natural. It may feel strange at first, but it works. Say simple sentences like, I am cooking. This builds fluency and confidence. English must become part of your life. What happens if you only study once a week? You forget what you learned. But if you use English every day, you remember. You improve and you grow. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. You do not need 5 hours a day. You need 20 minutes every day. That is enough to build a habit. Habit creates long-term success. How can you bring English into your daily life? Start small and do not try too much. Just one change today is enough. Maybe listen to music or watch a short video. Small steps create big change. Rule 3. Learn phrases, not just words. This is where many learners get confused. They try to memorize single words one by one, but when it is time to speak, nothing comes out. Words alone are not enough. Language is about connection. Words must work together. Here is your new key phrase. Learn phrases, not just words. Say it again. You learn the word hungry, but in real life you say, I am hungry. This is a phrase. Phrases give you structure and help you speak faster. Phrases reduce thinking time. Your goal is to respond quickly and naturally. If someone asks, how are you? You should not stop and think. You should answer immediately with a phrase. I am doing well or I am fine. This builds real confidence. When you learn a new word, do not stop there. Ask how the word is used in a sentence. Write 2 or 3 simple phrases. Say them out loud and repeat them. Your brain loves patterns. When you learn patterns, you speak without fear. Many fluent speakers do not think about grammar rules. They use phrases automatically. This is called natural fluency. You can build it too, phrase by phrase. Next time you learn a word, turn it into a phrase. Speak it and use it. Words give you knowledge, but phrases give you power. Real improvement begins when your thinking changes. Take a breath and get ready. Rule 4. Speak before you feel ready. This rule is uncomfortable but necessary. Many learners wait to feel ready or confident, but that moment never comes. This is the trap. It keeps you stuck. Here is your next key phrase. Start before you are ready. Speaking English can feel scary and you may feel insecure. You worry about making mistakes. These thoughts are just fear. Fear grows when you avoid action. Fear becomes smaller when you face it. Imagine you are in a conversation. You want to speak, but your mind says, wait. This is your turning point. You have 2 choices. You can stay silent or you can speak. If you stay silent, nothing changes. But if you speak, everything begins. Maybe your sentence is not perfect or you pause, but you did it. Action creates growth, not waiting. Today, say 1 sentence in English. Do it to a friend or to yourself. Just speak and do not wait. Tomorrow, say 2 sentences. This is how confidence is built. Action comes first. How can you do this as a beginner? Start very small. Use simple thoughts. When you are walking, say, I am walking. When you see food, say, this looks good. These are small but powerful steps. Your brain is learning a new habit. Imagine thinking a little in English every day. Slowly, you stop translating. You start responding naturally. English becomes part of your mind. It is no longer something outside of you. Use images to help you. When you see a phone, think the word phone directly. This builds a direct connection. This is how fluency grows. Ask yourself, am I translating too much? If yes, just start small. Rule 6, be patient and trust the process. This is the most important rule. Real learning takes time. We all want fast results and fast confidence. But your brain needs time to grow. Here is your final key phrase. Trust the process. Say it slowly. There will be days when you feel stuck, days when you forget words and speaking feels hard. In those moments, do not think you are failing. Learning is not a straight line. Sometimes you go up and sometimes you feel down. You are always moving forward. Think about planting a seed. You water it, but for many days, nothing happens. Under the ground, the roots are growing. One day, the plant appears. This is how learning works. Your brain is growing even when you do not see it. Do not stop or lose hope. Consistency always wins. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours alone. Be kind to yourself and celebrate small wins. One new word is a big victory. Step by step, you are becoming better and more confident. You started this journey and you are still here. That means you can succeed. You learned that perfection is not needed. You learn that daily practice builds success. You learn to use phrases and speak early. You learn to think in English and trust the process. These are real tools for real change. What will you do next? Will you wait or will you start? Your future English depends on today. Even one small action is enough. Write one sentence in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more help. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Trust the process. Your journey has already started. Keep going.